So another video with starting late. I keep forgetting to hit record. We have water coming in up top right here to the house. So there was a bunch of this tarred like tape up top here I pulled off, and I tried to pull some more off. There's mesh inside of that tar. Got a piece of OSB. I can't really think of how to repair this at the moment. Not down here that much, and it's my mom's house, so I'm trying to come down and fix as much as I can. So yeah, I've got the OSB. I've got, hold on. Okay, I've got these 3 slats cut on an angle. Okay, so the OSB decking is back on, or not, it's not back on, it's on now. I have some drywall screws. Can't find anything else at the moment to support to hold it to the rafters, you call it. So yeah, hopefully this works. Still trying to figure out how to secure it. I need, like, I guess a ledger board go on the back side there. I might try to do a board on this side, but I'm still trying to figure it out. Might call my dad. So here I am back on this roof today. Update, I have the, I guess, subfascia on, and this board on. Everything is very secure. I'm about to put these trim boards on to make it look pretty. So yeah, and then this all this caulking was just so last night in case it rained it wouldn't get inside the house. Either way, so the trim boards are now on. I have to forgive my lack of craftsmanship. I'm not a carpenter, unfortunately. What I can do with the materials I have on hand, in fact I'm going down here a few times a year to tell my mom. And since I can't find any shingles, I will be using this tar, I guess it is, it looks like it is, to waterproof it. I'll catch you later. Okay, so for the time being, this project should be done. So it needs to be painted, but everything has been caulked up so far. Got a good bead of this tar-like stuff in the back. Hopefully the rain just runs off. You have to excuse the work. I'm not a craftsman or a carpenter or painter or anything. Nor do I have the tools right now to do that. Either way,